Hi, this is Joshua from Safe Food Pro, and today I'll be showing you how to use the completed forms page in reporting. The completed forms page is a great way to get insight into how your forms are being filled in, and will show you every completed form in your Safe Food Pro account. Firstly, you want to make sure that the date range matches with what you would like to view. By default, we have it set to show the last 7 days of data. You can change this by selecting any of the other options available, either data from this week, this month, or select an entirely custom date range. Just select Custom and toggle the date range in the calendar view. To help you find the form you're looking for, you can type out the form's name, who completed it, or the category it fits under. Once you've found the form you're looking for, you can see how it was filled in by selecting the View icon. Now this will give you insight into how each individual question was answered. From this view, you have the option to add a corrective action, to export the report, or delete the form entirely. To add a corrective action, select the clipboard icon. From there, add a description of what needs to be done, assign it to a staff member, and give it a due date. Then sign it off by clicking the check. To export a copy of this form, select the printer icon. This will generate the form as a PDF, which you can then download. Alternatively, you can email a PDF of the form by hitting the mail icon and entering an email address. Just hit send. You can also permanently delete a form by hitting the bin icon. Just type delete into the text box to confirm the deletion. You won't be able to recover a deleted form, so be careful. This should hopefully have given you some insight into how you can view your completed forms page. If you have any questions about this, please let me know at the email address below.